Hello, Jared here with Shading Texas. We did 5 motorized screens on this west-facing patio. Beautiful job. This one here is about 22 feet wide. Next one's about 16 feet wide. Another one next to that, 16 feet wide. But basically, I'm just gonna get these things rolling a little bit, kind of show you guys how they are working. Check this out. 95% screen. Look how tight we pull these guys. Looks like a sheet of glass. And just check out the privacy as well. Great privacy, especially when you're sitting on a golf course. It's really good when you want to be private, but yet keep out the sun and the heat. And then we also got one over here. So anyway, another quality job by Shading Texas. You can see us at www.shadingtexas.com. Thank you.